Many teams with desire and vision of future were demanding it. Pedro Solorzano and Kema Maroto bring you an adventure like none you have seen before. Workshop the challenge. A story about a new concept of learning and working with teams. A workshop ahead of its time. A spectacular experience of learning and tuning in, of trust and laughter. An epic story of heroes and villains who want to end humanity. Workshop El Desafío has been preparing for years thanks to the experience and listening to hundreds of hours of work with teams like yours. Possibly everything your company does depends on the skills and creativity of its people. Very human skills that cannot be rushed or replaced. Only humans can accept the challenge of always being on the edge of what is possible. Now, your team can now learn and enjoy with this new workshop concept. A workshop looking to the future, ready for you to enjoy today.